Hello YouTube, Mrgeeunit coming to you from my new motorcycle. That was very interesting. This is a 2013 Ducati Monster 696. Woo! My third motorcycle. And fourth ever riding for a significant amount of time. First bike was the Ninja 250. I think that was in 09, 07. And then I went to I rode in R6 for a period of time. It was my friend's. I was watching it. And then I bought a 2007 GSXR 600. And after its untimely demise to being knocked over and magically turning into a lump sum of money, I have turned it into this beautiful red 2013 Monster 696. I wanted to have a change from the normal sport bike. I wanted a more upright riding style, less fairings, fun, enjoyable ride. And this fills in every need that I wanted. Very nicely. It was a little bit more expensive than I would have liked to put into it, but for something of this quality, and I couldn't have passed it up. And in this condition, wow. This is my first bike with ABS on it. And the brakes feel solid, and they're just, I have to get used to it. The brakes on the Gixxer were very lousy, I would have to say. They were squishy. I tried everything. I changed the brake lines. I changed brake pads, and it just didn't. They just didn't cut it. These, however, are spot on. And these are probably the best sounding stock pipes out there. The turning on this motorcycle is like butter. Turning radius, super tiny. Super light bike. And where all the power is in such a different place than all the sport bikes that I've ridden. The Gixxer, it's super high. You have to get the RPM super high, and this one, they're right where you need them, and it's amazing. Amazing. Boom. U-turn. I didn't even take my foot off the pegs. Usually I'd put them down for safety if I was on the Gixxer. The Ninja 250, I was able to pop that UE, but this one, smooth. Alright guys, catch you later.